There it is. Oh man. Let's open this thing up. Fragile. Must be Italian. It's funny because after watching so many videos of everybody getting them and I know what to expect already, it's just like, oh, finally. Sweet. So I got the skull one. I thought it was super dope. I was just gonna get the black, but I saw they had like a skull one, so you know, if you know me, skulls is my thing. So this looks pretty dope. Not sure. Oh, okay, awesome. So I think that's pretty dope that they at least still throw in the other colors, which is dope. You got the red and black, sweet. So we got the red and black, the camo, and the blue, and then the skull one that I got. So that's dope. I think that's awesome that they, you know, give you all the stickers. So shout out to Oryxearth. Hopefully I'm saying you guys' name right. This one is gonna be my bike, so I'm gonna, you know, go crazy with the mods on this one. Hopefully, if you guys wanna, you know, send another one so I can give that one to my son, that would be sick. So then we could both ride out. Here it is. Oh man, this is so dope. I finally, I want to say too, packaging wise, like everything is all packaged up great. You know, everything's covered in. They had the big foam piece above. You know, we got the tire there. Alright, let's do this. Front plate, manual, and they give us a little bottle. So that's cool. Handlebars. I'm pretty sure this is tools put together. So this for the handlebars. Yep, these are wrenches, screwdrivers, Allen keys. I believe these are for the fenders. This is for the forks. Right? Yeah, the forks. This one has to be for the front tire. We'll figure that out. This is cool, nice and neat. Bag. I don't know why this random paper clip was on there, but alright. Alright, so here she is. This is fresh out the box. Front tire. Oh man, I can't express how like happy I am that it's really here. Super excited. I can't wait to put this together and get it on the road. Alright, so we're gonna start putting the front fork on now. Let's do it. Alright, it's my boy Scooby. Gotta be nosy. It's a puppy though. Only 8 months. It's a mini golden doodle. Let's do this. Scooby, you gonna help me or what? Guess stop. Alright, now we're gonna put our steering bolt in the fork and it's gonna come down like that. Alright, I had to go get some of the styrofoam that it came with to have it sit up so it could be a little easier. But alright, let's do it. Alright, we got the forks on. And next we're gonna start the handlebars. And for the handlebars, we're now gonna work with the handlebar clamps. So these. So we're gonna start with the lowers, and then the tops, and then screw them in. Let's get to it. We got those in. I'm putting them in this way so it's a little easier. Screw these in by hand just so they can stay in place. Alright, so now we're just gonna angle the handlebars the same kind of angle that the forks are in, and then we'll tighten it from there. And if we need to adjust once we're riding and want to bring it forward a little bit or bring it back a bit, then we'll do it after. But for right now, we'll just match up with the fork. Alright, so I got them in. These are good now. And now we're gonna put on the front fender. Alright, getting our fender on. Still gotta do the back to this side and the other side, but we're just taking the screw and the washer and getting them in there. Alright, now we're gonna start the front wheel. Alright, so we're gonna start this. Take this nut off. Take the first spacer off. And the first one. Put this spacer goes to the fork. Alright. Gonna tighten this up and then guess I can sit on it. Still have to go out and buy the oil, and then this way I could lubricate the clutch, put oil in the trans, and then I still have to get gas as well. Once I get the oil, I'll get the gas, and then from there, we'll begin. Start this bad boy up. Alright, so we got the bike out ready to ride. We're gonna start it real quick, and then I'm gonna go out for a ride, and then I'll come back, and then update you guys. So right now we got it on start. I already lubed the clutch. There's gas, there's oil. So it sounds good, so I'm gonna take it out for a ride, and I'll let you guys know. Man, all I gotta say is this bike is awesome. It feels great. The clutches are the throttle is responsive. but she's stock alone. This thing is, it's fun. This thing is super fun. This is my first mini bike, so I mean I can't compare it to anything else, but this is super fun. I even had my son ride it in the front on the sidewalk. He was a little, a little nervous, but in due time I'll get him on this. But this is super fun. Mods are coming. I'm gonna put on the muffler next. I also have the front forks that I'm gonna put on, so it has the little shock, so it'll feel a little better. But honestly, this isn't too bad. But this bike is awesome. Shout out Oryxearth. Made a dope mini bike. Yeah, till the next one, like, comment, subscribe, you know the vibes. Mini bike mob.